Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be doing a speed test comparison between the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone XR with the latest iOS 15.6 update. In this test we will be testing out different applications and games and give you an idea which device is best for you in 2022 with the latest iOS 15.6 update. So without any further ado, let's begin the video by booting up both the devices at the same time. And as you can see, the logo has appeared on both the devices. To my surprise, the iPhone 8 Plus is a winner here in terms of bootload speed, whereas the iPhone XR is not behind. Now let's test out the application and games on the iPhone and see which device is going to be faster at the end of the video. So guys, here we are at the end of the speed test, and to my surprise the iPhone 8 Plus is still winner here in terms of the latest iOS 15.6 speed test, and basically it has outperformed the iPhone XR. Although the iPhone XR has slightly better chipset, but still the iPhone 8 Plus is a winner here. If you wanted to buy a device in a budget, then the iPhone 8 Plus is best choice for you, but if you want a device which has better battery, then definitely go towards the iPhone XR. And yo guys, that is it in this particular video. Some other videos about the iPhone comparison are in the list and in the description. Do check them out as well. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.